Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Earthly Landscapes blog. So I'm here at a project in Long Beach designed by me, installed by Greenside Landscaping. This project was installed beginning of this year, I believe. I'll have to double check that. But I wanted to show you what the project looks like because 98% of it looks really gorgeous. So I'm going to turn this camera around and whatnot. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. Okay, so in this side, the idea was that the decomposed granite would just be a straight path to the gate that leads to the backyard. We've got some Siskiyou blue fescue and a red yucca. There was a red yucca here that appears to have croaked. This red yucca appears to have somehow been fallen over slightly. Maybe some animal, probably. I have this Siskiyou blue fescue in my own garden and it does ridiculously well even in pottery. What you also hear is the client's dog protecting his turf. So here what we have is the main focal point of the garden. On this corner side and this corner side and this little corner here are 3 sundrops that have croaked that will have to be replaced, and there needs to be some minor maintenance on the sundrops, but not really too much. To the right, we didn't really plant much in the parkway to allow for people getting out of the cars to be able to safely get out without the door hitting a plant or the person stomping on a plant. And then we have here on the right some juncus, a ridiculously gorgeous Palo Verde. Oh, so gorgeous. And then this really beautiful dry riverbed. I mean, it's just something. And of course, we've got the sycamore street trees that have shed, and that's okay because the leaves will just eventually degrade and become mulch over time. So that's not really that big of an issue. It wouldn't be for me anyway, and it certainly isn't for the homeowner.